YouTubers. Just when you thought this YouTube channel couldn't get any cooler. Let's see what TJ has for us, shall we? Come on, I'll show you. Homemade street sign. It's legit, not legal, but legit. And then if you're having horsefly problems, and I think a lot of y'all are, this year the horseflies are getting ridiculous. I have the perfect solution. I built this trap off of a YouTube video hoping it would work, and man, it does work, no lie. Just I had to show you this. Look at this. Look at this. Can y'all see the amount of dead bugs in there? Is it too blurry? All right, here's how it works. You put a little funnel made out of a 2-liter on this, right? You screw it in there. Can you see how I did that? And you dangle a cord. And there's a dark ball that swings. Ooh. I made this netting out of aluminum screen material. And I'm not really going to tell you how I did it. I think you pretty much, it's self-explanatory. There's hundreds of bugs in there, y'all. Mostly big horseflies. They hit the ball, they try to bite it because it's warm, it's radiating heat. Then when they try to escape, they just go up and they get trapped. They're funneled into the thing. Dude, it works. I'm just saying. Oh, geez, so... Okay, it works most of the time, y'all. Huh.